Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to correctly install the 76525 jet body without using the trim piece. Step 1. Place the gasket on the back side of the jet body. The gasket goes in between the jet body and the waterside shell of the spa. Step 2. Do not install the trim piece on the jet body. Throw it in the garbage. Step 3. After installing the jet body into the spa shell, install the nut on the back side of the jet body with the smooth side facing the gasket. Turn the nut clockwise until the jet body is securely fastened against the spa shell. Use channel locking pliers to fully tighten the nut, but do not over tighten. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.